In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create corridor in Civil 3D. We'll start by opening the corridor tool. In Civil 3D, head to the Home tab, then look for the Create Design panel. From there, choose Corridor and select Create Corridor. This is the launchpad for everything that follows, so make sure your drawing has the alignment, profile, and assembly you plan to use already set up. If they're not ready yet, you can still open the dialog and review what you'll need. Next, set the corridor name and style. Give your corridor a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to identify later, especially when a project has multiple baselines. Choose the baseline alignment that represents the horizontal path of your road or corridor, then pick the matching profile for its vertical design. The profile selection is crucial. Civil 3D will build the corridor along this grade line. For style, pick a corridor style that fits your project's standards. Styles control how the corridor displays in plan and model views, so selecting a clean, readable style helps you review results quickly. Now assign the assembly. The assembly is your cross-section template, defining lanes, shoulders, curbs, and any other typical section elements. Use the assembly you've built for this corridor type. If you have multiple assemblies, select the one that matches the baseline you just chose. Think of the assembly as the blueprint Civil 3D sweeps along the alignment and profile to generate the 3D model. With that set, define your targets. Targets tell the corridor where to find widths, offsets, and daylight information. For example, if your daylight needs to meet an existing ground, select the appropriate existing surface as the target. If a lane or shoulder needs to vary to meet an offset or feature line, choose the corresponding feature line or polyline. Carefully verify each subassembly's target type. Some want a surface for elevation, others want a line for horizontal control, and some need both. If you're unsure, review the subassembly parameters in the dialog to see exactly what it's asking for. Finally, build the corridor, confirm your settings, and click OK to let Civil 3D create the model. After it builds, take a moment to zoom along the corridor and inspect key areas like curves, tie-ins, and transitions. If something looks off, reopen the corridor properties to adjust the targets, assembly, or style. Remember, corridors are dynamic. Refinements update the model as you go, helping you move smoothly from concept to a reliable design.